We're gonna play the title track. It's cool. I like it. It's fun. We have them over there, but we only have like 7 left. So if you want one, if there's gonna be anyone wanting one, you know.